We're back here at the K1 building. I came by a couple of weeks ago and they were starting to make some really good progress, pulling down drywall, pulling down studs. But now I'm here this week and they have made a tremendous amount of progress. Tell me what's going on here.
They have. Every wall in the facility is now down. You will be able to see exactly what it will be as you come in to look at your space, at the space that it's going to be. As we walk in, you're gonna see this big open space. That will all be glass. And you'll be able to see right through to the courtyard, and we will have outdoor workspace there. There will be seating. We will do concerts. It will be just a space, an outdoor space to hang out. Inside here, as you will see, this is the main co-working space. We'll be able to accommodate 80 to 100 people a day in here. And then to your right, as we go right, that's gonna all be studio. That's the production office, the studio. It will be glass. You'll be able to see everything going on in the production studio. In this space also will be the coffee bar. It will be everything that you need to have your day at Hatch. I don't think the last time we were in that you could see the meeting space on this side of the building. Caterer's kitchen will be there. This will be our incubator space for one company in here. There will be 5 offices. We're gonna stand a company up in here and let them go to work and put technology out of Hatch. Meeting space will be down this hall. We're on the left side of the building here. As you turn the corner, you're gonna see a space that will accommodate 250 people. Full AV, full production. You'll be able to capture everything that goes on in this room. So if you have a conference and you wanna capture it, we'll be able to capture everything going on for your company.
And there's gonna be no ceiling, right? This is an open floor plan?
It's just, look, open floor plan, no ceiling. We just kind of wanted it open, you know, get in the earth.
Yeah, experience the weather.
Be one.
Yeah, talk about sustainable.
That's right. Yeah, we're all about sustainability at Hatch.
And so we're just leaving it open and enjoyable.
This space is going to be the dedicated desk space. We're gonna have 10 spaces in here. If you wanna get out of the co-working space and have your own space, you can come in this space and do that. You can set your computer up and it stays in this room. Out of these doors will be the entrance and exit. There'll be a food truck here every day. We will contract with different food trucks to come in, provide lunch. As we get on the right side of the building, if you're looking at it from the road, this will be all conference space. You'll be able to lease these conference rooms. Also, these conference rooms will be available for the members of Hatch. And then down this side, we showed this on the last video, but this is the private offices. There'll be 18 private offices on this side that you can lease and rent. Right now, we are actually taking deposit. If you want to come in and look at your space and see where you want it, you can come and do that now. In this space, there'll be 18 of those private offices. The courtyard is something that I really have overlooked. As I've started seeing it progress, because you really couldn't see what would be here, this is a huge space and it's gonna, I love to work outside, and so I think it's gonna create a great atmosphere. Hey, look at this. We actually have work going on, studs going in. So new construction. Who would have thought this project would really come to fruition like it's coming to? Check us out, hatchfairhope.com.